So now let's create appId for our project. So visit agora.io. This is the Agora official site. Here are some trusted users of Agora. Agora provide voice calling, video calling, interactive live streaming, real-time messaging. Also SDK is available for Android, iOS and Mac, Windows, Web, Electron, Flutter, React Native and Unity with demo code. Agora provides interactive whiteboard, Agora Analytics and cloud recording. Here is some information about that, what Agora provides and what are the services of Agora. So let's click on that get started. So if you haven't any account of Agora, you have to create your account for free first. Then after that you have to generate that appId from that console. After that you can use that appId in your Agora app. In order to start voice calling, video calling, streaming or real-time messaging, you will need that appId. So create an account first, then you will get appId from here. I have already account, so I will log into the console. Here is the simple console of that Agora, showing some test project I have created. So here in Agora console section, go to that project management. In project management section, if you have created any project, then it will show there. So let me create a new project and enter the name of a project. I will create the name of Agora Web. So in use case, select any use case and I will use that education and tutoring. So Agora app will be created and here will be the appId. So click on that copy button. The appId will be copied to the clipboard and we will use that appId in our project. The token are optional, we do not need it, and for channel we will add any name. From the next video we will write code for that voice and video calling.